Everyone, I'm Sarah, and this is BudgetSew, where we create stylish, fashionable looks as inexpensively as possible. Today, I'm going to show you my Amazon sewing and hobby haul. If you like this video, please subscribe to BudgetSew and follow me on social media at BudgetSew. Just a quick note before we get started, today I'm wearing Simplicity 6082. The link to the video with that dress is right here at the top of the screen. The first item that I have is Singer Temporary Basting Tape. It's double-sided peel and stick tape that's water soluble and disappears when washed. It eliminates the need for pinning. It's 1/4 inch wide and 10 yards long. I bought this tape for my Back to Basics tote that I'm making. It's a free online pattern from Sally Tomato. I'll post a link to the free pattern in the description box of this video. This minimalistic tote has been refined in all the right ways. It's perfect for the office and for out shopping. The entire bag is made only from one fabric, so there is no lining, which makes it very beginner friendly and gives it the appearance of a high-end leather bag. It features 2 exterior slip pockets, boxed bottom corners, an optional magnetic snap closure, an interior slip pocket, and comfortable shoulder straps. The recommended fabrics are faux leather or cork fabric. Its finished size is 13 inches wide, 13 inches high, and 3 inches deep. I'm making my tote out of a cream naga hide that I had left over from recovering a footstool, as well as making bookmarks for Christmas. The link to the video where I show you how to make these bookmarks is right here at the top of the screen. There's still lots of naga hide left over, and I gave it to my mom to make a coat for her puppy. I bought this tape to hold the exterior and interior pockets in place when I sew them, since I can't use pins or clips. The next item I bought is Fabric Fusion. It's a clear fabric glue which is formulated to adhere fabric to a variety of surfaces and embellishments. It can be used on nearly every type of fabric, pom-poms, glass and acrylic rhinestones, plastic sequins, beads, and light and heavyweight trims. I bought this Fabric Fusion for McCall's 6842. It's a McCall's Craft pattern for a quilt and pillows that was published in 2011. Both pillows measure 14 by 14 inches or 36 by 36 centimeters, and the quilt measures 34 by 48 inches or 87 by 115 centimeters. All views have a contrast back, bands, and appliques. My mom bought this pattern for me from Luke and Optimus Thrift Shop for 25 cents. I bought the background for the quilt and pillows from Fabricland. It's a navy blue upholstery fabric that was in the clearance section. I bought 1 meter for $10. After I had cut out the pillows and the quilt, I had a little scrap of fabric left over, and it was just big enough for me to make the drawstring beret from Saturday Night Hat. The link to the video where I show you how to sew a drawstring beret is right here at the top of the screen. The owls and the leaves are made from felt that I bought from Dollarama, a Canadian dollar store. The larger sheets of felt were $1.25, and the bundle of 45 squares of smaller pieces of felt was $3. The branches are the same fabric that I used for my corgi in my Sew the Queen's Corgi pillow. The link to that video is right here at the top of the screen. To bind the edge of the quilt, I'm going to use this copper brown blanket binding that I bought online a few years ago from Dove Original Trims. I used it to sew a bed coverlet that I made to match some pillow shams that I sewed. The link to the video where I show you how to sew pillow shams is right here at the top of the screen. I needed the fabric glue to tack down the leaves and the owls on the pillows and quilt, and Amazon recommended Fabric Fusion. It had great customer reviews, so I'm excited to try it out. I'll show you in a future video how well the Fabric Fusion worked and the reveal of McCall's 6842. The next item is this used copy of Berta Style Modern Sewing, Dresses for All Occasions. Build your wardrobe with the latest fashion styles found only from Berta Patterns. Dresses for every occasion includes 25 projects from the archives of Berta Style magazine. All of the must-have essentials of a woman's dress wardrobe are covered in this collection. Everything from elegant and sophisticated dresses to casual and comfortable shifts. The fashion styles are versatile and wearable, including easygoing pullover styles, retro remakes, and form-fitting classics. The Berta patterns also include skirt and jacket separates for formal occasions that further expand the possibilities for the modern woman's wardrobe. I really like the Trey Tweed Mock two-piece. This French couture style is evocative of the 1960s, but it's updated with a modern tweed boucle fabric and decorative fringed edges. The bodice looks like a short jacket with curved edges, accented with large buttons, and the Christian Dior style pencil skirt ends elegantly at the knee. This slim silhouette is made more comfortable by a cleverly underlaid vent at the back hemline. For a more casual look, I like the Urban Ikat sleeveless dress. This breezy dress is bold, thanks to the large, colorful print, yet casually refined. It flows from a clever below-the-bust drape and hits right above the knee, a style that flatters every figure. This dress must be made from a lightweight jersey, either printed or solid. I was looking at some beautiful Ikat fabric on the Fabricville website yesterday. It might end up in my shopping cart. I also love the fit and flare frock for a more formal look. Modest and playful, this dress features a waistline and front and back V necklines. The calf-length skirt, 3/4 length sleeves, and inverted pleats at the waist make this a feminine choice for any special occasion. The ideal fabric for this dress is organza with a cutwork pattern. I love these Berta books. I have 2 others that I bought from Amazon that I showed you in my previous videos. It's too bad that they're out of print, but I'm really pleased that I was able to get a second-hand copy of this one, complete with all the patterns. The book and patterns look brand new without a single mark on them. And the patterns are stored at the back of the book. And here they all are. The next item I have is this Amazon Basics twin sheet set. It came with a pillowcase, fitted sheet, and flat sheet. It's 100% polyester that's soft and lightweight. This is my go-to fabric because I can machine wash it, then throw it in the dryer for easy care. I love the white anchors on the navy blue fabric. I'm going to make a summer dress out of this sheet set. And I'll open it up for you. It's just so cute. I have 4 sheet sets that I'm going to make into summer dresses, but I forgot to show you in my previous Amazon video which dress patterns I'm going to use. For this navy blue and white anchor set, I'm leaning towards Butterick 6728 from 2021. This V-neck empire waist dress has flutter sleeves, a contrast neck, waistbands, and length variations, including midi and maxi. View A has a contrast hem ruffle. The suggested fabrics are cotton blends, rayon, crepe, and challis, but I think that this lightweight polyester is perfect. Both views require one 22-inch or 56-centimeter invisible zipper. I'm not sure which version I'm going to make, but I think that I'll make the contrast neck from a navy polyester. The next pattern is the Amelia Maxi dress by Simple Sew. I downloaded this pattern for free from craftworld.com. To get your free copy, you need to register, but it's free. This easy to make dress is the perfect day to evening pattern with a choice of 2 lengths of fluttery sleeve. This sheared waist panel makes getting a great fit even easier. The recommended fabrics are cotton and lawn for a sunny day out, or viscose crepe and silk when attending a wedding or party. This dress is only suitable for 60-inch wide fabric, so I'm safe using my butterfly sheet set. For the king size sheets that have a lovely blue and gray leaf print, I'm going to make Very Easy Vogue 9273 from 2019. This is a special occasion dress, but I'm going to use a polyester sheet to make it a fun summer dress. This dress is fitted through the bust and hip with a lined body, unlined sleeve and flounce, with purchase bias tape to finish the armhole edge, narrow hems, and length and hem variations. The recommended fabrics are embroidered lace, crepe, and rayon challis. The pattern calls for a lining, but it does not indicate what the fabric should be. It has a separate pattern layout for the lining pieces, so just might use lining fabric and not self fabric. I like that this dress is a lined body, so I won't need to wear a slip underneath. This dress requires one 22-inch or 55-centimeter regular zipper, one hook and eye, and one package of 1/2 inch or 1.3 centimeter single fold bias tape. If I decide to accessorize a dress, I'll need 3.5 yards or 3.2 meters of 1 3/4 inch or 4.5 centimeter wide flexible trim. The final summer dress that I'm going to sew up is dress 4C from the 4th issue of 2023 of Burda Easy. V necklines elongate the neck and flatter any figure. This dress has an empire waistline and the top piece looks wrapped. It has puffy raglan sleeves and a flared skirt. The extra wide ruffle at the hem turns a midi dress into a charmingly light maxi dress. The recommended fabrics are lightweight dress fabrics, so the pale blue sheet with the gold, blue, white, and polka dot anchors on them is going to be wonderful as this dress. There are some other great summer dress patterns in this issue, so I was really pleased with Burda Easy. And there's plenty more after that. The next item I bought was this fox embroidery kit. I just thought it was so cute. It comes with a fox pattern pre-printed on the fabric and enough colorful thread to embroider the picture. The kit also comes with 2 embroidery needles, an adjustable embroidery hoop, and full instructions. I like that this is a complete kit, so I can get started on the embroidery with no planning required. And I'll open it up for you so you can see what's inside. We have the embroidery hoop. We have the fox pre-printed on the fabric. And we have all the thread here, the embroidery floss here. So you can see the colors there, and I'll flip this. Actually, I'll leave that like that so you can see the colors on one side and more on the other. And here are their needles. There's actually 3 needles. Then I have this little sewing machine tool called a button clearance plate. My mom saw this product on YouTube and sent me the video as well as the link to the product on Amazon. The vlogger called it a hump jumper, and apparently it does an amazing job going over thick, bulky seams. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm looking forward to using it on my next denim sewing project. The final items that I have are spools of serger thread. They sold as 4 spools per bag, and I bought light blue, navy blue, sand beige, brown autumn, and burgundy. I bought the burgundy for some new fabric that I bought at Fabricville. And I bought the Brown Autumn and Sand Beige because I use these colors more often than I thought. I always seem to be running out of brown and beige. I hope you enjoyed my sewing and hobby haul from Amazon. Subscribe to BudgetSew for more great videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.